Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can take high resolution photos on Motorola Moto G04 and the G04s. While we don't have much to work on, there are some things that you can do in order to try to improve the quality of the pictures. The first thing that I noticed is that you should use the 3:4 aspect ratio. At the top you can switch between different ratios. You can also tap on this arrow over here in order to find the aspect ratio settings over here. So you can switch between 3:4, 9:16 and full screen. And from what I noticed, 3:4 has the best uses the best camera. If we go to the pictures, I have taken one picture for each of the aspect ratios. This one is full screen, and if we go to details, over here you can see it uses 9.5 megapixels camera. Here we have 9:16 and it uses 12 megapixels, and then here we have 3:4 and it uses 16 megapixels. So this is one thing that you can do. The next thing is of course proper lighting of the area. If you try to take a picture, you should take care of the good lighting. And in addition to that, if you don't have good lighting, you can also use the flashlight. Once again, by tapping the arrow over here at the top, we have flash, which we can enable. We can set it to be always enabled or automatic, or completely turn it off. And over here in the top left corner, you can also quickly enable or switch the state of the flashlight as we did just before. And this is pretty much it. This is everything that we can do with this smartphone and with this camera. And I hope you can still take great photos with those settings. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.